I'm recording at 4K 60 frames per second at 200 megabits using 422 10 bits. This is the ZEISS 40mm close focus lens, and I'm using the Sony A7IV, so the 4K 60 is already cropped. So the close focus has a manual ring for focusing, and then I'm also just on autofocus, continuous AF. And my autofocus transition speeds are both on the fastest, just to test it out. That was pretty delayed. This is low light though, so I'm just testing it out. Low light. And then I'm also on the lens, on the ZEISS lens itself. I'm on the 0.5 to 0.24 meter option, or I could switch it. So now I'm on full. This is the middle option, so obviously you can't get that close. And this is the closest option I can do, and even still it's having a tough time focusing. Alright, so I got spot focusing. I gotta change that setting because that's not what I wanted. All pretty low light conditions.